diesel heater. This is the N2 version out of here, and then there's an accessory box on the side. It does say international version. Now it did come with the US plug. Little Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Pretty nice. On this side here, we have the remote that was attached to the vent right here. It does say LF Bros. We have the terminals for the power input. On top, these cables do fold down. They feel very solid, so that's nice. And then we have the little remote screen right here. It's not powered on currently, but I'll get that powered on here in a little bit once everything's hooked up. On the other side, we have the exhaust port, and it's got a little plug in it to protect it. But other than that, looks like a pretty nice unit. Just gonna run down all the other stuff that came with. We have the heater out vent. We have the heat duct. Have the exhaust tube and the muffler that goes with it, and then just a sort of hardware. So yeah, we'll get it put together here in a minute and get it all powered on and tested out. So power on the EcoFlow. And we'll hit the power button here on the diesel heater. You'll see it powering on right there. You can see that we're pulling in about 59 watts, 64 watts. We're outputting. Slowly going up as those glow plugs inside the heater heat up. We're at 105, 110. All right, so it just started clicking at about 112 watts, 110 watts average probably. Can you hear it ramping up and the fuel pump going? About 120 watts right there. Air coming out of the vent, still pretty cool right now. Alright, so now we heard it fire up. Pulling about 120 watts still. Alright, so I just wanted to show we got everything running here. Currently 16 degrees Celsius. Fuel's just about at half. And then we're running this at 4 kilowatts right now. It'll go up to 5 kilowatts, so we're probably like 3/4 of the way. The EcoFlow we're pulling about anywhere from typically 35 watts up to 60 watts sometimes. But yeah, the air coming out is pretty hot. I don't have a temperature gauge to measure, but it is pretty warm in here.